from group 1, so we will telling you about the strategy of Jigsaw.
The definition of Jigsaw learning technique. Jigsaw is learning technique as a cooperative learning developed by Elliot Aronson. This technique is designed to increase the students' sense of responsibility towards their own learning as well as the learning of others. The students not only learn the material given, but they must also be ready to provide and teach the material to their group. So this both the cognitive and social abilities are needed for students.
Benefit from the Jigsaw classroom. First and foremost, it is a remarkably efficient way to learn the material, but even more important, the Jigsaw process encourages listening, engagement, and empathy by giving each member of the group an essential part to play in the academic activity. Group members must work together as a team to accomplish a common goal. Each person depends on all the others. No student can succeed completely unless everyone works well together as a team. This cooperation, by design, facilitates interaction among all students in the class, letting them value each other as contribution to their common tasks.
The disadvantages of Jigsaw. So the first is it takes much time to organize the group. The teacher should make groups that combine the students who have different intelligences. And the second is students don't get into their group or read their initial text quickly enough, it will run out of time. And the third is one or two obstinate students don't participate a whole group, or two will lose out on a piece of the text. And the fourth is class situation become noisy, so the teacher needs to control the students. And the last is a teacher cannot monitor all groups at once.
I will explain about the 7 steps of Jigsaw class. So, the first step is divide students into 5 or 6% Jigsaw group. Step 2 is appoint one student from each group as the leader. Initially, this person should be the most mature student in the group. Step 3. Divide the day's lesson into 5 or 6 segments. For example, like students learn about vertebrates, then the segments can be divided into mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. Step 4 is students start working individually. Each student learn about his or her topic and present it to their group. Step 5 is students gather into the group that divide by the topic, and each member present again about the topic group. In the same topic groups, students reconcile point of view and synthesize information. Step 6 is bring the student back into their Jigsaw group and ask each student to present her or his segment to the group. The final presentation provides all group members with an understanding of their own material as well as the findings that have emerged from a topic-specific group discussion. And the last step is give a quiz on the material. Students quickly come to realize that these art sessions are not just fun and game, but this is also a study process and evaluation. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.